Things that you need to prepare: Cubiio, tripod, USB micro cable, power bank, and the felt paper. Step 1. Attach the Cubiio on the tripod. Step 2. Open your design on Inkscape and save it as a GCODE file on the SD card. Put the SD card and the power bank. Step 4. Turn on Cubiio. Put the felt paper on your working area. Open the Cubiio app. Connect to Cubiio. Select Image. Select Preview to view the area where you want to do the cutting. Set the laser power to 90% and laser speed to 20%. Click on Start. For more information and more informative videos like this, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit our website, mygraph.com.